What is going on, guys? Dreworkz here, and we just finished another bag setup. So I have been very busy bagging a bunch of cars. I do have a bunch of videos coming out here soon, but this we just finished a couple days ago, and this is the finished product. So this is going to be an AirTech Stage 2 Plus kit on this C8. Now, normally we don't ever really use AirTech. We always recommend Airlift 3P for our managements, and then we have our own struts as well for the C8. So if you are interested, we do have our own struts. But this is how it sits. This is the W2 lip kit or something 2 lip kit. Customer provided both the bags and the lip kit, and we installed it for them. Car looks sick. I'm not gonna lie. I was not a very big fan of the C8s when they first came out, but they are definitely growing on me. So this has a stock exhaust currently, but we do have more plans later on with this in the future. We did install the Oracle color changing DRLs. I have the controller with me right here, so you can change the color to anything that you want. And you can also adjust these or turn them off and on at all times because they're connected directly to the battery. So you don't need to have the actual headlight switch on. But obviously, just don't forget to turn them off. But it looks sick. So we'll go back to red because this C8 has the red interior. So it's a red on red mix, which to me looks amazing. It looks great. And then here's how we have our controller set up. So you can see everything. We always hide all the wires. We always like that OEM Plus look, and this is the best that I've ever found the way to do it. So I'm very big on the OEM Plus, and I'm OCD, so it kind of helps. So let's check out what the front setup looks like. Let's see. No, the turn signals still do work. Let's check out the front setup. It is a little dirty, but this is the front setup that we made for this C8. Kind of similar to how we made the yellow wide body setup. If you haven't checked that out on our Instagram, this is obviously the AirTech Stage 2 Plus instead of the 3P, and also a different tank. But we did ran our lines a little bit more unique, and then also we did match the red lines with the red car, and this is a dual compressor setup, the 444 cc's with this setup. But here you can see the tank with the door open and the red seats, all the red matching. Really nice. I do like how everything just kind of matches together. If you are interested in bagging your C8, please either email us, reach out to us on our website. We'll definitely answer all the questions that you need. This thing came out sick, as most of the builds that we do. We do have another couple cars coming in, so look out for those YouTube videos as well. We're going to go ahead and cue the cinematics for this one.